Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block those annoying redirect sites in Google Chrome on Android. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Chrome app on your phone. Once Chrome is open, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And simply tap on Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, you have to simply scroll down and you will see option that says Site Settings. Tap on it. In the Site Settings, simply scroll down and you will see option of pop-ups and redirects. Simply tap on it. Make sure the toggle is turned off. This will block most of the sites from redirecting you to unwanted pages. And that's it. You have successfully blocked those redirect sites in Chrome on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.